Hello guys, Art for Kids here. Today we're gonna draw Santa Claus. Leave a comment below and I will shoot you out on my next video. Do you know how old is Santa Claus? Santa Claus is 1,753 years old. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe with notification bell to don't miss any new video. Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, but his real name is Saint Nicholas. If I draw too fast, you can pause the video and then when you are ready, you can press play again. Wow, I think you draw very well. Keep going. Almost finished the drawing. Only the boots is left. Now coloring time. We start with the color beige. We paint the face. Also with beige, we paint the hands. What present you want from Santa Claus this year? What do you think will be the next color? Red for the mouth and gray for the bottom of the shoes. Let's draw now the hat with the red color. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe with notification bell to don't miss any new video. Brown, orange, black, brown. If you like this video, you want to check one of the videos I have down below or in the end of this video, and I will see you there.